Have you ever wondered how to create an average of some numbers in Excel, like store sales? I'll show you today, so make some coffee and watch. First, we'll create a very simple spreadsheet. So, sales on each day of the month. For each day, I fill in what the sales were. You adjust the format of the numbers to dollars. When you've got the table filled in, you click on cell and type in an actual average bracket. Now you select the sales that have sales enclose the bracket. Now just confirm with enter and the average is done. Now you know how to do it. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.